Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video, a bit of a random one, I want to see how many ships, how many flying tomatoes we can take out with a Devore warship. So here we go. Right, this might be one of the most random videos I've ever done actually. Interesting to put the original series technology against technology we saw in Voyager. Wow, okay. Oh, so the Devore's taking some damage. Good. I don't like the Devore. They make some good ships, though. Really cool looking. Oh, I'm struggling to maneuver here. What's happened? Those Polaron torpedoes are insane. Fair play to the original series. They're really packing a punch here. Oh, 2 tomatoes down, 2 to go.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed.
It's a cool looking ship, the Devore warship. It's weird. It kind of looks a bit Romulan in design, but then it doesn't at the same time. Almost looks like it's got a carbon fiber hull. Oh, needs to be careful here, Devore. Oh, you can see bits of the other Yamamoto debris. Escape pods. We definitely took some damage at the front there. Devore warship's not very maneuverable. Oh no, look! Looks like a coaster. Flying coaster. Oh! Right, should we do that the other way around? Right, here we go. I like being in the Flying Tomato. Such a cool ship. Although I am slightly concerned if they target us first. Oh, I don't think they are. Full power to the shields. One of them's gone already. That's not good. I almost wonder if ramming might be our best bet here, to be honest. Disable the Devore. Their shielding's taking some damage, though. This is good.
Simulated friendly ship has been destroyed.
Their bottom shield is draining, sir.
Can't get a target lock. Look at that. They're moving too fast. I couldn't move that fast before. So they're going evasive. Oh no, they're still firing. Oh dear. It's just us now.
Simulated friendly ship has been destroyed.
Ow, just grazed their shields.
Their bottom shield is draining, sir.
Ha! They went into that one. Boom! Okay. They've not actually hit us yet, though I think that might be about to change. Annoyingly, their forward shields are at the strongest right now. Oh no! No. Well, we grazed their shields. That's the only way I can describe it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.